Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This media washing machine customer said cannot spin. So let's see what is the problem. Set the spin mode and start. So water is draining. Yeah, water is draining. Water is draining, but see it's beeping. So it's beeping, not spinning the drum. So let's see what is the problem. So dear viewers, I have actually this problem is door lock. Door lock. These are door lock switch. So this both of connector have connect each other. Then I have tested. Then also not working. Then finally I have found this connector. Problem was this connector. Then after that I have repaired the connector. Then after that the problem has been solved. So I'll fix it back. So let's see finally how is it. So alhamdulillah viewers, it's working fine. So now I'll show you how have I fixed the connector. So see this is the connector. Then inside was loose, so by tweezer I made it small. Then I fixed their back like this. Then I fix it back, then problem is solved.